How to create map in Google Maps. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a map in your Google Map. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing, you will need to open up a web browser and simply search for Google Maps. Open up your Google Maps, and after you open it up, you will need to head over to this icon right here. Tap on Saved, and here you will see lists labeled visited and maps. Now in this section you will need to head over to maps, and there you will see an option called create maps. Tap on create map, and after you tap on it, a new tab will open up. As you can see, creating a new map will always upload titles, thumbnails, and associated metadata to the drive. This means that the map that you create will get saved in your Google Drive. So tap on create. Now you can again tap on create new map if you want to. And after you do that, simply head over to the area of which you want to create a map of. So I'll just head over here. And now what you'll need to do is create a map. To do that, you will simply need to add a line or draw a line. So I'll just draw a line here. And for that, you'll just have to point to the area that of which you want to create the map of and simply draw a line. I'll do that right here. And let me just continue. And after you've drawn a line, what you'll need to do is simply head over here. If you want to edit it, you can do that. You can change the name of the layer. You can add a base map. As you can see, you can even share. You can tap on preview to view your map. So just tap on preview, and that is how you've created your map. Now you can find this in your drive if you want to, and you can change the colors of this too. You'll see the individuals, lines, styles, and many more. And you can even add scales, distance. You can measure the distance. You can add markers. You can select items. Again, you can draw lines if you want to, and if you want, you can add directions too. And yeah, that is basically how you can create a line in your maps. Thanks for watching, guys. That is how you can create a map in your Google Maps. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.